this video, I'll show you who to track on Twitter on Axiom Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you need to do is open up and log into your Axiom Pro account. If you don't already have an Axiom Pro account, I'll drop a link down below in the description and the pinned comment. And by using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on your trading fees for life. When you use my link, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. You're going to head over here right to where it says start trading. Click on that and sign up with either your email, Gmail account, or by connecting your Phantom wallet. Make sure key shows up right over here under the invite code section. That'll guarantee you get that discount. Once you logged into your account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. And we're going to go right over here to the top where it says trackers and click on that. And that's going to bring up your wallet tracker as well as your Twitter tracker. And on your Twitter tracker, you're going to come right over here to customize feed. This is going to bring up the list of the Twitter accounts that you're following. And you're going to head right over here to top subscriptions. And here you're going to follow all of the main influencers that can move the market. For example, first person you're going to want to follow is Elon Musk. You can do that by clicking on this little plus icon next to the Twitter handle to follow it. You're going to want to follow all of the news organizations as well, because news creates a ton of viral meme coins. Other people you're going to want to follow is Real Donald Trump, Sam Sol. He's a top KOL. CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, Coin Gordon, as many of the major news organizations as possible, such as Fox News, Newsweek, Newsmax, NBC News, BBC News, Sky News, etc. If you actually want a list of all of the people that I'm following to get you started, I'll drop that link down below in the description. You're just going to head over to your Twitter tracker, click on import, paste in the list right here, click on import, and that'll give you all of the people that I follow to give you a start. If you want to add other handles, you can just go right over here, click on the add handle. And for example, if we want to head over to Twitter and say we want to follow Chainlink, we just copy their Twitter handle, head back to Axiom, click on add handle, and right here we would paste in their handle, click on add, and now we'd have them added. It's as simple as that. So that's who to track and follow on Twitter on Axiom Pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.